Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to do shoulder opening poses or just stretch for neck and shoulder. So a lot of people generally complain about tight shoulder, neck pain, shoulder pain, or it gets difficult to do poses like the arm balancing poses or even holding downward dog is difficult. So this video is going to help you to release and that tightness on your shoulder, neck muscles, help you feel relaxed. Now if you have migraine, if you have vertigo problem, this video will be helpful even for the frozen shoulders or tight shoulders. Okay, so let's get started. So sit comfortably, keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, complete awareness, focus here to yourself. With that, as you inhale, just look up, chin up. Exhale, look down, chin to chest. We'll go for 2 more rounds. Inhale, mindful breathing, synchronizing with movement. Exhale. 1 more inhale and exhale and stay here, normal breath. 5, 4, feel that stretch in your neck and whole spine. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now with your right, press your head on your right shoulder and stretch your left arm. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and now just bend your elbow and just gently push your left shoulder down. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center. Now stretch on your left. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and we now gently press your right shoulder down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Okay, you might need, you will need the blocks to do some shoulder stretches. So make sure if you have it. If you don't have, try to get them so that you get that good shoulder stretch. Okay, next. So inhale, just lift your shoulders, exhale back. Continue, inhale up, roll them down, inhale and exhale. 2 more, inhale. Exhale, 1 more round and relax. Now from back, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, relax. Now stretch your right arm forward and press it over your left shoulder. Try to stretch your right arm completely, right elbow. Now move your left shoulder back, right shoulder forward. 5, 4, 3, so feel that stretch in your biceps, triceps muscles. 2 and 1. Okay, relax, stretch your left and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Now stretch your right arm up, bend your elbow. So try to bring your right palm in between your shoulder blade, your right arm hiding behind your head. Press from top and then try to stretch towards your left with every exhalation. 5, 4, 3, 2 and we'll now just bend on your left slightly for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center, relax. I already feel nice. Now stretch your left arm up, bend your elbow, hold from top. 5, 4, 3, 2 and we're now bend on your right. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now right arm in front and left arm wrap it around. Stretch up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now left in front, right arm wrap it around and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now you just interlock your fingers behind your back, and this is a protraction retraction of the shoulders, so just drop your both palms down. Okay, now if you have tight shoulder muscles, shoulder joint, this might be difficult, like for the rounded back, people with complete like the rounded back, this rolling shoulder, bringing shoulder blades together will be a little bit difficult, so it will regular practice will help for the rounded shoulder. So drop your palms down, pressing your palms, move your chest forward, look up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The last round, inhale and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now exhale, fold forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come to center, relax, and let me correct, this was not the protraction and retraction, but only retraction of the shoulder helps in rounded back. Okay, now just stretch your legs forward, just loosen up first, and we will go into the cat and cow position, tabletop position. Okay, so your knees apart, wrist and shoulder in one line. Now exhale, round your back, bring your chin to chest. Inhale, arch, look up. A very effective pose or stimulation on your spine. Okay, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale and exhale and hold your normal breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and we now just move your shoulder forward and back. Continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, just relax first. Now come back, and here we'll go into twist. So raise your right arm up, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now exhale, bring your right shoulder head down, and now try to bring your left arm around your back, hold your right inner thigh, and just keep opening your left shoulder. 5, look up to the ceiling. 4, bring your left shoulder back. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back, and from left, inhale, stretch, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now just twist on your left and right arm around your back. Now you just as you hold here, you need to make an effort to open up your right shoulder, bring back of your head on the mat, keep looking up, see if you can look back on your right, on your left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, now you can take your blocks and arrange it in this position. Okay, and then bring your elbows on the block, interlock your fingers, walk back, and then just bring your head in between your arms and just stay here. Okay, not dropping your head down, but keep it in line with your spine, and slowly just press your chest, shoulder down. 10, 5, hold. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Okay, next we are going into puppy stretch. Again, very effective stretch. So stretch your arms forward, bring your chin, chest, shoulder down. Okay, now inhale, lift and round your back like a cat and cow. Exhale, look forward. Inhale, and last round, exhale and hold. As much as you can. Now if you feel too much tightness, not able to hold in this pose, you first bring your forehead up, then you can slowly bring your chin. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back and relax. Okay, now another stretch with the block is, again, keep it in this height like a V shape. Bring your elbows on the block, interlock your fingers, and again walk back and bring your chest down towards the mat. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come back and relax. Relax. You feel so loosened up, and relax on your neck and shoulder. Okay, now next, just press your palms. Let's go into downward dog. Okay, now as you exhale, try to move your hips higher, press your palms, and completely move your shoulders away from your ears, your chest towards your knees. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now here, just drop your knees down, interlock your fingers, and we'll do one more shoulder stretch here. Again, come into dolphin downward dog and keep looking forward. So not this way, but look forward and move your shoulders, your chest towards your knees. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. This not only helps to loosen up your shoulder, but also for strengthening your shoulders. Okay, so relax. Okay, now let's go into the shoulder stretch, Gomukhasana stretch. So here, bring your left knee down and right knee over your left knee. Now if you're not able to sit in this posture, completely fine, you can just sit in cross leg position. Now stretch your left arm up, bend your elbow, hold, just stretch, push from top and try to collapse your fingers. Now if you're not able to hold back, you can use a belt strap or a towel, small towel. Just hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you can fold forward, just resting your chest on your right knee, but not dropping your left elbow down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come to center and relax. Now change and okay, now raise your right arm up, hold, inhale and exhale, normal breathing, and hold for 5, 4. You might feel that one side is tighter than the other side, so that's the imbalance we have, and yoga helps to bring that balance on both sides. 3, 2, and 1. You can just fold forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, now next we are doing this Bharadwaja twist. It really helps to bring that stretch in your biceps, triceps muscle. So first, you bend your knees, pointing on your left, both knees. So your left foot is resting on your right hand. Now you just first twist on your left, looking towards your left, and bring your left arm around the back and see if you can hold your right hand. Bring your right palm on your left knee and you just twist, twist. Try to bring your shoulder blades together, twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come to center and relax. Now change on your right. Again, bring your right arm around the back. Okay, see if you can hold your left hip. Bring your left palm on your right knee, twist, twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Okay, now just bend your knees and bring your both palms behind your back. Now from here, you can just keep walking your palms back as much as you can. Okay, try your best. Hold 5 and bring your palms closer, look up. 4, 3, 2, and when now you can even straighten your legs and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come to center and relax. You can just turn around and come on your stomach. Okay, and now you just cross your arms, means bring your right arm towards your left towards your right, form the gentle fist, and you can tuck your toes. Now from here, just move yourself slightly forward and rest the chin on your left arm. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come to center and change. So bring your left arm towards your right arm crossing over, and again just push yourself forward. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now you can just turn around and come on your back. Okay, and here, as you come here, just do the Supta Tadasana. So interlock your fingers, stretch your whole body, and just bend your knees. Okay, we'll do the bridge pose but with arms over the head. Okay, so this is going to help in our neck pain. Okay, and good relaxation on shoulders as well. So inhale, lift your arms up, lift your hips up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now you can just hug your knees. You can either hold, interlock your fingers, or just hold your wrist, or if you can reach your elbow. So, and lift your chin up, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and relax. Just relax in Shavasana now. And as you relax in this position, just see and observe how you feel on your neck and shoulder muscles. Completely loosened up, relax, you feel lighter. And now whenever you are ready, just raise your right arm up, turn on your right slowly and come to sitting position. Okay, now as you're doing this, if you have time, again try to include the pranayam. Just go through my pranayam videos and try to do that pranayam at the end, so it will make your complete practice. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this whole stretch on neck and shoulder, and if you do it regularly, really going to help in your tight shoulder, frozen shoulder, neck pain, shoulder pain, and so on. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now, so you get that notification whenever next time I upload my video. So look good, feel good, be healthy and happy, and until my next video, see you, bye bye, take care.